Hi, I'm Nisha Siripurapu and I welcome you all back to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Well, in the long list of existing stresses in the market, there is a new add-on, and that is the stress of looking good. Well, in today's modern society, it has become mandatory to look very presentable and extremely charming. And for this, we don't mind spending a bomb on cosmetics every now and then. But do we really need to burn a hole in our pocket to look good? Well, absolutely no. There is no requirement of spending huge sum on the so-called organic products available in the market. The secret of looking good absolutely lies in the food that we eat, and we all know this very well. And if you are in a habit of eating healthy, exercising, sleeping well and meditating, there's no way that you cannot look good. So with that thought, I'll be sharing my today's recipe, which is oats tikki, and this I have baked it, and this is a zero oil recipe. And if you don't have an oven in your house, you can shallow fry it. And before we begin, I want to request you all to please subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen, and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. It's really motivating. So let's get started. Thank you so very much. So here comes our oats cutlet. Now this is a zero oil recipe, and you saw that in no time we prepared them. Now again, if you don't have oven, what you can do is you can just use your normal roti pan and you can just shallow fry it. So do try it out, and if you're new to my channel, please click on my picture above for more such healthy recipes. Thank you so very much. I'll come again with one more new recipe. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so very much.